there's an airport bus. Boop, 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 boop. And this is a happy van. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, 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 beep. Uh-oh. Boom. Oh no. It's crashed. Beep, beep, beep. There's a mail truck. You got a mail. Beep, beep, beep. Wow. Beep, beep. Ding dong. You got a package. Ding dong. You got a mail. Mail delivery. Ooh. 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 Oh no. Pick it up. Oh no. Ding dong. Beep, beep, beep. Oh no. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, the vans go down. Ooh. Van go down. Ooh. Beep, beep, beep.
Steering wheel.
Yes. The steering wheel. Right here. Whoa! Almost go down. Woo! Whoop! 1, 2, 3.
Give me.
Yes.
Give me.
Yeah, I give you. Yes. Where's the van? There is an airport bus. Uh-oh. Here we go. What is this? This is the Air Force One. Woo!
Up to the sky.
Up to the sky. Alexander.
Up to the
Yeah, airplane up to the sky.
inside.
Yes, let's go inside the airplane. And where are you going? Airplane go see.
Mommy.
Go see mommy. Okay. Vroom, 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 vroom. And go to Palak. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh no. Go pick it up. Pick it up. Where is the fan? The fan's down. Uh-oh. You wanna sit? Yes. Where? Yeah. What is this? That's a mail truck. Wow. How cool. Can you open the door? Put it down here and open the door. How do you open the side door? Look. That is the side door. Right here. We can open like this one right here. Wow. How about the trunk? Right here, look. We can open the trunk. Right. This one right here. Oh. Yes. Look what is inside. Wow, what is that? What is inside here? Is that the water cap?
It's milk.
It's a milk. No, it's not milk. It's a water cap inside the truck. Good. Now we have look inside. Uh-oh. It's not focusing. Okay. Look. Wow. Okay, here we go. Look, what is inside? Everything look real. Everything look real. Wow. Ooh, yes. You gonna put that inside? And delivery? Beep, beep. Okay, close the trunk and close the door. Side door. Don't forget. Okay, put it down and let it go. Boop, 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 beep, beep, beep. Wow. One more time. Boop. Beep, 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 beep. No way! No! Oh, crash! Here we go. Your truck coming back. Yep. You wanna do it? Okay. USPS.com. Yep. Uh-oh. Let's open the post door.
Huh?
Huh? Ding dong. Who's coming? What's that noise?
The bus.
It's, what is it?
Little bus.
Yellow bus? Where is the yellow bus? What kind of yellow bus is that? Is that school bus? Yeah. So you want to go to school? Where's your backpack? Why don't you go get your backpack? It's not here. Where is it?
Oh
Oh no, it's not under. Okay, go get your backpack and bring it to daddy. No, not there. Uh-oh. Where's the backpack? Where's going? Where's the backpack?
Oh, it's gone.
Oh, it's gone. Oh no. Wow. Where is it? Maybe
It's gone.
Maybe in the room. Uh-oh. How about here? What is that? What is that? Yep. What is it? No. Here's your backpack right here. Oh, that's a backpack with the dog. Woof, 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 woof. Wow. Can you show daddy? Can you show daddy? What is it? Wow, this is so cool. The dog, one team. How many dogs? Yes, how many dogs can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 dogs. Paw Patrol. Woof, 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 woof. And what is inside the bag? Can you open? What is inside? What is it? What is inside there? Can you pick it up? Oh, that's a spinning one. Oh, can you do it? How you do it? Yeah, good job. Look at that. Oh, wow. Wow, that's a spinning one. Can you spinning? How you do? Wow, that is so cool. Wow, look at that. Uh-oh. Oh. It's crashing? No, it's next to the airplane. Whoop. Can you spin it? Vroom, 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 vroom. And the airplane right here. This is the Air Force One. Wow. Up to the sky. Alright, now it's time to pack your backpack. What would you like in here? What would you like to put in your backpack? You want to go to school? Yes or no? Yep. What would you put in there? The spinning?
What is inside?
What is inside? And how about the car or the truck or the airplane? Would you like to put in your backpack? Yep. Wow. And how about
Inside.
what is inside? What else? What else do you want? How about the pen? Where's your pen? You want to go to school? Where's your book? And where's your pen?
Airplane.
Airplane?
To the sky.
Yes, up to the sky. Ooh. Yeah. Alright, Alexander, go to school. Put on your backpack. How you put on your backpack?
Spinning.
You want the spinning? Yes, of course you can. Just spin faster. Wow, look at that. Wow, that is so cool. Wow. Alright, here we go. And you say bye-bye. See you next time. And wave your hand. Bye-bye. See you next time. And blow your kiss. How you blow your kiss? Mwah.